Ngut ki brio ki besong hakawi ka auto rickshaw Kynnoh Pynher nonya kila Mynsaw hak Jaintia accident kablaja hene ke step hasurau national highway in rio hak shnong maudiang umri boy district kat kum gejingte balayo lum lo ong bakani ke Jaintia kalaja hakapor kumba khandai bejemen stem hakaba kawai ka kali Maruti Fronx kabadang hiar shagoti bat bompat don number kabla Kynnoh Pynher Sted palat kala lej ban Tynrah beng yakawai ka auto rickshaw kabadon ni number ML shpo si in rio we khandai Hakani ke Jaintia Ngut ki besong haka auto rickshaw kila Mynsaw katba ki besong haka te ka kali Fronx kim shimla Mynsaw AA bat baro ardli ki kali kila julor shushu lo ongru ba unonya ka kali Fronx ula persang ban phet na ka te ka jaka hadien ke Jaintia hindai shimlala namar ba ka shaka khmat jong ka kali kalapai ki pulit jong ka Nongpoh traffic police kila poi mar shaka jaka ban pinlong ke jing token bat banne ek badon kam katkum ki kindon jong ka ai ya ki ba Mynsaw na pinkit no Nongpoh civil hospital banyo ya ke jing suma
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.